This is our front garden. We weren't sure what we were going to make, but in the end we decided to make something that was both pretty and productive. We wanted also a tropical feel. Most of the year it's pretty warm up here, and we can grow good tropical foods. So in our garden we've got bananas, passion fruit, citrus, mangoes, avocado, coffee. There's even strawberries still growing, and it's the middle of winter. We've got capsicums, peas, all kinds of amazing foods that we're able to grow all year round. We also wanted our garden to screen out the neighbours. When we moved in, it was just a lawn. All we did was sit on our front veranda and look over to a large house with no garden between. By planting bananas, we were able to screen out the neighbours pretty fast. The garden's not all productive. We've also got things like frangipani in, myriad of flowers, anything that can just add a little bit of interest to the garden, some biodiversity. We've got palms, elephant ears, all sorts of things. And now it's a really nice place to sit and relax, look out, drink a coffee in the morning. The birds are loving it. The worms have come into the garden like never before, and we think it's all pretty good.